Palki shape envelope we can design. Use gota patti, quilling work decoration, gota decoration, cloth made artificial paper flower decoration made with cloth, patchwork, quilling work, wool balls and gota, different shapes and decorate with flower, wool ball decoration, different shape with zardozi booty. These are cloth and we are making this like structure and fold it. This is also cloth made, both are. Any booties like kundan, gota decoration, pankhi shape card, bandhes, we can create envelope. We can create envelope with different clothes, gota decoration, wool ball decoration, zardozi works, stone works, gota patti work, bandhes work, mix waste clothes just like old sari we can create, and we can make a different type of hangings also by with use of gota. So gota is most fabulous thing and very common, and we can decorate in different idea. These are again paper quilling work. These simple envelopes are also elegant. Lace work, folded way we can prepare envelope put inside. Quilling work by pasting different material and quilling. This is also a quilling work with lace, quilling envelopes, different style of quilling by using double layer of paper. These are sponge techniques envelopes. These are purse shape envelopes. These cut works through machine and then they will prepare the envelope. These are folded pocket shape envelope, envelope shape envelope. We can prepare our envelope in a different shape and we can decorate with different textures, clothes, patchworks. In olden time we are using this message covering, and we can make a t-shirt shape also, and we can decorate like a zardozi